How asbestos litigation plaintiffs can get mesothelioma lawsuit loan in 3 easy steps. Non-recourse lawsuit funding for asbestos lawsuit plaintiffs. If you are suffering from mesothelioma or a loved one has died of mesothelioma, and you are a plaintiff involved in a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos lawsuit, and have hired a lawyer to represent your claim, then you may qualify for a mesothelioma lawsuit funding or lawsuit loan against the potential future proceeds you may receive from your lawsuit. This is called as mesothelioma lawsuit funding, asbestos lawsuit cash advance, legal funding and litigation funding. It is also called as asbestos lawsuit loan. But in true sense, these are not loans because loans are repayable absolutely. But the mesothelioma or asbestos lawsuit funding is a non-recourse cash advance and it does not have to be paid back unless the case is won or settled. What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is the scientific term used to describe a cancerous tumor that involves the mesothelial cells of a body organ. Mesothelial cells are cells that form a protective lining over the lungs, heart and abdominal organs. The most common type of mesothelioma is pleural mesothelioma. What causes it? Asbestos causes mesothelioma. Asbestos is the major cause of a number of ailments and diseases, including the deadly cancer mesothelioma in the United States. Asbestos has actually been in use for centuries. The name asbestos was given to this mineral by the ancient Greeks and the word literally means inextinguishable. Who has the right to file a lawsuit to obtain compensation for mesothelioma? A mesothelioma lawsuit can be filed by a person who has developed mesothelioma through exposure to asbestos. If the individual has died, the lawsuit can be filed by a family member of victim, and also by administrator or the executor of the estate of deceased. A lawsuit can also be filed by a family member who has developed the mesothelioma disease through close contact with the victim person who was exposed to asbestos. If you are involved in a mesothelioma or asbestos lawsuit, you know very well that due to our tiresome legal process, lawsuit moves forward in a very slow and unhurried manner. Very often defendants are represented by attorneys hired by big insurance companies. Therefore, even if law is on your side, deep-pocket defendants can manipulate or manage to buy time with legal ploys and delays, and maneuver to frustrate you. In the legal battle, victory belongs to the most persevering. In the confrontation between the stream and the rock, the stream always wins, not through strength but by perseverance. What your attorney needs, in order to get you the best settlement or fairest trial, is time. Just as the defendants can buy time, so can you. Mesothelioma lawsuit funding. The non-recourse loan helps you to get instant cash. A lawsuit loan or lawsuit funding on your expected asbestos or mesothelioma lawsuit settlement can help you now. If you are suffering from mesothelioma, you may need money to pay medical costs and other monthly bills also. From the reputed and good lawsuit funding company, you can obtain your mesothelioma lawsuit loan in 3 easy-to-follow steps. 8. Step: submit the application. When you apply for asbestos lawsuit loan, there is no application fee. A good lawsuit funding company should not charge any upfront fee or any application fee, processing fee or any monthly fee. B. Step: your attorney faxes the required documents to mesothelioma lawsuit loan funding company. C. Step: if approved for cash advance, funds are wired into your bank account the same day. Of course, you can't take a bank check also. Once you get a mesothelioma lawsuit funding, you do not pay back until you win or settle the case. If you do not win your asbestos lawsuit, you do not owe any money to lawsuit funding company. The loan that was advanced by lawsuit funding company is not owed. Any fees that may have accrued are not owed. You pay back lawsuit loan only if you win or settle the case. No win, no payback, period. If you are involved in an asbestos lawsuit and you are under a financial pressure now, the expected large settlement in future will not take care of your present financial and emotional needs. Mesothelioma lawsuit funding for asbestos lawsuit loan allows you to get relief from present financial pressure, so you do not have to settle your case simply because you need whatever money you can get now. http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com. Francisco Rodriguez. About the author: do you need a mesothelioma lawyer?